In order to lock apps on POCO F8 Pro or POCO F8 Ultra, we need to go to Settings. Over here in Settings, scroll down until you find the Apps option, and then let's go ahead and open it. Now in here we have the the App Lock option, so we're gonna tap over here. Now in this case we can choose the password type as well, so you can use the same password as you use for screen lock, or you can choose a new password that is a privacy protection password. In my case, I'm going to actually switch to this one. Let's say that we want to use a completely different password for the app lock, and we're going to tap on turn on, and then we have the setup of the privacy protection password. By default, we need to enter a 6-digit PIN code that we wanted to use, but you can tap on other password in order to, for example, change to a custom PIN. So let's say in this case, we're going to use 6 zeros over here. There we go. And we should be able to proceed. Then we need to enter the same password again in order to confirm. You can also use your Xiaomi account in order to be able to recover the password in case you completely forget it. And if you don't do that, then of course you will not be able to do so with your Xiaomi account. Now in here we have some suggested apps that we can immediately lock, but we can tap on them in order to uncheck them from this list, and we can proceed to go to the app lock settings. Now in here we have of course the list of apps, and we can choose which apps should be locked. So let's say I'm gonna lock Instagram as an example. Of course we can lock more apps over here if needed, let's say Netflix as well, and there we go. Now here we should be able to find the password when we try, well, find the password requirement when we try to open these apps. So as you can see in here, we should be able to enter the password to open the locked app. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.